It's time to Ask an Expert, where we tackle everyday home improvement topics to help you better understand your home. Today I'm with Greg Cantor, resident expert for Murray Lampert Design Build Remodel, and Brian Milholland, solar and roofing expert at SunPower by Milholland. Today, guys, we're talking about going green, and it's a topic that's important to a lot of people. It's a huge topic, so we're just kind of doing an overview today. And there's 5 real core areas that people need to be aware of and evaluate when they're looking at going green. Brian, let's start with the first one, which is resource efficiency. What does that mean?
Well, it means are the products made from sustainable or recyclable resources?
Okay. So what's the percentage of recycle that's in the product itself? And also, can it be recycled at the end of its life, correct?
Right, those are some important decisions to consider.
Okay. Next up, Greg, indoor air quality, important to many people.
It is, and some products like carpeting and finished flooring have VOCs, which off-gas.
VOCs, chemicals?
They're chemicals that off-gas. And the good news is in California, it's highly regulated, so any products purchased in California and installed are going to meet those requirements.
So there's a certain criteria in California they have to fall within, but people, if they're extra sensitive or want to go a little bit deeper, there's resources, and I know we have online, we'll be posting some resources people can go to go a little bit deeper.
Right.
Next up, Brian, energy efficiency. This is your core area. Talk a little bit about energy efficiency when you're evaluating something green.
Well, when you talk about energy efficiency, it's not only how much energy it's going to save, but also how comfortable it's going to make you and what the cost of that comfortability is. Those are things that people look at to consider. Return on investment are important decisions.
Energy efficiency is a huge part of it because you can have something that is going to maybe cost a little bit more on the front end. We're going to get to affordability in a minute, but if it doesn't use much electricity after that, there's a lot of savings, and so energy efficiency is a huge portion of going green. Water conservation.
Yes, I'm sure everybody is conscious with the drought and with the cost of water these days. That's something that should be focused on with landscaping and also plumbing fixtures.
Yeah, here in San Diego especially. Lastly, we want to talk about affordability. Some of these products, Brian, they may cost more on the front end, but at the end, they save you money. And that's a big part of the energy efficiency formula that people need to take into consideration. A little bit more on the front end, in the end you save money. So if you have questions for our experts or want to know more about green building, green material selection, go to ApprovedHomePros.com and our Ask an Expert section.